Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. This time we're going to talk about something called LED road flares and 3 reasons you should buy them. Reason number one, these are safer than the conventional stick road flares that you see where you have to pull a cap off and strike it and then stick it in the ground, and because in certain parts of the country, certain seasons of the year, those things might contribute to the start of a fire because they're basically a very hot flame. Reason number two, with these being LEDs and with what's inside the package, they're rechargeable and reusable. So all you got to do is a periodic recharge. Now, obviously don't run them all the way down, but if you've been using them, say for you had to help out at the scene of an accident or there was something going on, you were disabled on the side of the road, if you've used one or more of them, that's probably a good indication to charge them. And it goes over in the manual how to tell when it's fully charged, because it's possible that one of these might charge up more than the others. Reason number three, these can be used in a variety of applications. Now, as you see, there are 2 different flash patterns running now. These actually have 7 different flash patterns plus a nice little carry bag. And this is just for the 3-pack. Now, if you're in one of these 55 plus communities, you may have some people who are out early of a morning in golf carts and vehicles come by and they don't really, maybe see you as soon as they should, because let's face it, some of the golf carts don't have bright taillights on the back. Well, with something like this, you could put this on and just barely turn these things on to where they're in the first flash setting, and you'll become immediately a lot more visible to where if something does happen, the driver has got even less room to say they didn't see you, because these are very bright, very handy to have. They can be driven over by a car. Now, you put a heavy truck on them, yeah, they're going to get crushed. But if a car happened to drive over them, that shouldn't present a problem. So take a look at these, and especially whether if you've got a car or a golf cart, it never hurts to be a little bit safer with these. They do make you a little bit more visible without blinding those around you.